is a scent that you should have in your perfume collection. So I got her this. I smelled it in the store. And it smells really good. Rylan. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another day in the life of a stay-at-home mom vlog. If you're new here, hello and welcome to you. I'm Anissa, and in today's video, you guys, we got a lot going on. We got a lot of things to do around here. Mi casa needs to be cleaned and straightened up real good today. We have loads of laundry that need to get done. We have been to the beach and to the pool and all of that, so we have towels that need to be washed, folded, and put away. Also, I want to go through Rylan's toy bins because she has a whole bunch of toys that she has not been playing with that I just want to go ahead and get rid of. If she has not touched it in the last couple of weeks, I'm just going to ship it off to the Goodwill, the Salvation Army, wherever I may take it. It won't be in here. I know that for a fact. Okay. Also, I want to go out shopping for a gift for my mom because my mom's birthday is coming up, you guys. So I want to get her something nice. She asked me for a perfume, so I'm going to do a little research on that. But yeah, you guys, if you are new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button because we would love to have you join a part of our YouTube family that we got going on here. Okay, and if you have not already, go ahead and hit that like button because I mean, why would you wait? Okay. But anyways, you guys, let's go ahead and get the day started.
Today, the liquor been taking the pain away. I heard you was giving your chain away. That's kinda like giving your fame away. What's wrong with you? I sit in a box where the owners do. A boss is a road that I've grown into. I love you to death, but I told you the truth. I can't just be with you and only you. Yeah, I got one virtual, got one, and that there's the only two, man. How many times have I shown and proved, man? How many nights I've been woke, swerving the potholes, not trying to fuck up the wheels on the road, okay? Funny how life goes. He thought he was sick, now we wiping his nose, okay? Soon as you give him your soul, you blow up and they say you're selling your soul, okay? They want my life exposed, they wanna know about the highs and lows. Well, summer all I did was rest, okay? And New Year's all I did was stretch, okay? And Valentine's Day I had sex, okay? We'll see what's about to happen next, okay? Okay, okay, we'll see what's about to happen next, okay? Okay, okay, we'll see what's about to happen. Hey, hey, we'll see what's about to happen. Hey, we'll see what's about to happen. I'm making a change today. The liquor been taking the pain away. I heard you was giving your chain away. That's kinda like giving your fame away. What's wrong with you? I sit in a box where the owners do. A boss is a road that I've grown into. I love you to death, but I told you the truth. Hey, yeah, I got one lawyer, got one, and that there's the only two, man. How many times have I told you the truth, man? How many nights I've been woke, swerving them potholes, not trying to fuck up the wheels or fuck up the deals. I'm posted and stop home. It's me, the Owls, and the twins. It's only the real. I'm moving way too humble. Weezy and handed it off. I still got no fumbles. I'm on a hot 100, numero uno. This one ain't come with a bundle. I'm in the win, $1 million in chocolate chips, and that's just how my cookie crumble. I put a skirt on a whip and a crown on a 6, but there's no need to dress up the numbers. Hey, hey, yeah, but I guess they must have their reasons. They wanna know how I'm living my day-to-day life in the regular season. Well, summer all I did was rest, okay? And New Year's all I did was stretch, okay? And Valentine's Day I had sex, okay? We'll see what's about to happen next, okay? Okay, okay, we'll see what's about to happen next, okay? Okay, okay, we'll see what's about to happen. Hey, hey, we'll see what's about to happen. Hey, we'll see what's about to happen. I'm making a change today. The liquor been taking the pain away. I heard you was giving your chain away. That's kinda like giving your fame away. What's wrong with you? I sit in a box where the owners do. A boss is a road that I've grown into. I love you to death, but I told you the truth.
Okay, you guys, so I just got done straightening up Rylan's toys. It is now lunchtime. I'm making her some pizza and I'm gonna have some leftovers. After we eat lunch, I'll go ahead and get started on the laundry. little one ready for the day. Huh? Huh? Say hi, guys. Okay, you guys, so we finally made it in the car, and it's just really been one of those days. Like, I did get an early start to my day, and I feel like I got a lot of things done already, but I just feel like things were coming out of the woodworks, like unexpected things were happening that I had to get done right away. Uh-oh, hold on, baby. You dropped it? Hold on. Rylan dropped her iPad. Let me grab her tablet. So we're in the Starbucks drive-thru, you guys. That's why I was able to stop like that. I just need a quick pick-me-up before we go looking for my mom's birthday gift. I know she said she wanted a perfume, and I just don't know what perfume to get her. She really likes Euphoria from Calvin Klein, but she wants to try something new, so I'm gonna head into this Ulta to see what I can find. Hopefully they have something. Bye-bye. But yeah, you guys. I'm gonna put mask on. Yeah. Come on. You're not crap. Yeah. Look. Hold on. Come on, Pookie. You got one of our lollipop. That's not a lollipop. This way, this way, this way. This way. Slow down. Right here. This way. Here you go again with the nail polish. Huh? Mommy, yellow. Yellow? Yeah. White. White? Red. Purple. That's blue. That's, what color is that? Pink. 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 Okay, you guys, so things got real hectic real fast in Ulta. I went to the nail section trying to get me another pair of those Impress press-on nails, because I heard that they had them in the shade Bubble Bath, which I love. It's one of my favorite shades beside Put It in Neutral by OPI. So I looked online and I saw that they had them here, but they don't. So I went to the nail aisle knowing I wasn't supposed to be in the nail aisle. I was supposed to be there only to get perfume for my mom. And Rylan broke a nail polish. So they were super kind though. I offered to pay for it and they're like, no, it happens all the time. It's okay. So we got away with that one. But I ended up buying some perfume for my mom. A perfume that I have been seeing for a while now, and everyone's like perfume tags. So I smelled it while we were there in Ulta and it smells really, really good. I have not personally worn this perfume, or I don't own this perfume, but I have heard a lot of people talking about this perfume. It is like the major hype perfume right now that everyone's talking about in their perfume tags. I think Zendaya is the spokesperson for this perfume. It's from Lancome. She was on like their campaign. Ooh, the sun is so bright. Huh, baby? Since I'm driving right now, I'm gonna show you guys what I got from Ulta when we get home. Okay, you guys, so we just got home. I wanted to show you guys really quick what I got before I start cooking dinner. I'm making grilled chicken salad for dinner tonight. Hey, can you come here, please? Rylan has one of my items that I bought today. But anyways, this is the perfume that I bought my mom. This is Zendaya's perfume, I think, for Lancome. I saw her on like the campaign in the store, the campaign poster in the store. And I have been hearing all kinds of reviews about this perfume. People really like it. The bottle is really pretty. Hey! everyone is saying this is a scent that you should have in your perfume collection. So I got her this. I smelled it in the store. And it smells really good. Rylan! And it smells really, really good. So I might have to buy this for myself. Right. Hey, Ryan. Can you call Rai real quick? Go to Dada real quick.
Come on. Why are you licking your fingers?
She don't know. So I hope she likes this perfume because I've heard nothing but good reviews about it. If she doesn't, then I'll take it off her hands, okay? Because it smells pretty darn good to me. The next thing I got was this set of mini conditioners by Pattern Beauty. You guys know, curly hair, we are always switching up our routines. Nothing is ever the same when it comes to our hair care routine. So I wanted to try these out because I have been hearing really good things about it. So I'll let you guys know how these are working. And yeah, you guys, I think that's gonna be it to today's vlog. I'm just tired, y'all. I'm tired today. Got a lot of things done. And yeah, that's gonna be it. So thank you so much for watching today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button because we would love to have you join our YouTube family that we got going on here, our small corner on the internet for moms, stay-at-home moms just like me. Love you guys. See you in the next one. Bye.